Hi Gineers! Welcome to the Ginee channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to copy a store from the same or different marketplace channel, also known as store clone, using the Ginee dashboard. Currently, you can copy a store from Shopee, Lazada, and Shopify. Ginee can copy stores between different marketplace channels within the same country. Now, let's start the tutorial. To copy a store, select Channel Product and then under Product Tools, click Copy Listing. Once you're directed to the Copy Listing page, select the marketplace channel and store you will copy, as well as the products to be copied, whether all products or only the live ones. After that, select the store where you want the products to be copied to and click Copy as Draft. This pop-up box will appear and then click View Now. The products from your store have now been successfully copied as draft. Since each marketplace channel has their own product rules and required information, whenever you copy a store using the Ginee dashboard, you are recommended to edit the product information first in order to proceed. Under the Draft tab of your destination store, you will see the product information that needs to be added. It is recommended to edit and replace certain product information when copying products to the same marketplace channel, such as the product name and description. After that, click Publish. We're done with the tutorial on how to do store clone. Very easy, right, Gineers? Good luck!